Welcome researchers, welcome to USG 2021. Today I am giving you a brief about my poster IoT based secured UAV system. My name is Jitendra Joshi. I am from NIT University. So along with the team of Amarjeet Singh, Dr. Anul Haq, Nikhil Khelod, Rishabh Gaur and Shubham Tripathi, we have worked on this project to find out the various vulnerabilities in the UAV system. First, about the introduction. To distantly control an automatic airborne vehicle, so the essential thing is to know the floating point, which is through the GPS signal. So in this way, the strategy which is used for changing the GPS is by using the GPS spoofing, that is performed without interacting directly with the drone. The application of UAV in the various civil fields are nowadays increasing, and in the paper which is referenced in one is shown by the author that the deployment of the armature drone poses various safety, security and privacy threats. Now the drones can also be used in the healthcare, filming, journalism, scientific research, surveillance and others. The new technology comes along with the other advantages and the vulnerabilities. In the reference paper, the UAV vulnerabilities are stated that mostly depend upon the input signal of the GPS, and there are different types of drones like the civilian drone. Second one is the commercial drone, and third one is the military and law enforcement drones. So they have a different application scenario as per their use. Now the problem statement is to design a scheme to check the attacks and the vulnerabilities in the drone operation. Basically we are focusing on the GPS spoofing, and we also discuss some of the modern use of the drones and the possible risk in their use, and what are the various vulnerabilities that are present nowadays in the drones. Now again from the reference, the author states that the primary focus on the simple attacks by randomly setting the user location. First of all, the important floating points which are obtained is using the working of the GPS. The GPS works on the bunch of the satellite that is continuously broadcasting a sign which states the position, time data and the status about the GPS. Then what is GPS jamming? Through GPS jamming, the act of creating a futile and loud signal that meddle with the GPS collector capacity to get the real signal. So by communicating a loud sign at a more prominent strength, the authentic signal of the recipient will not be able to recognize the genuine sign. Now in the GPS spoofing is a strategy where the assailant make a GPS signal which adjusts to the GPS standard, however contains erroneous data of the satellite position and the current timing. Now skyjack this assault take care of the issue of the aggregator waiting to close the passage of the penetrate the drone. Test result. Firstly, we have to spoof a simple GPS receiver of an Android device using a hardware and software spoofing, and then we have made an Android app by which we can change the direction of the destination set by the user location tracking app like Google Maps. Now the Bluetooth GPS module will generate the false GPS signal, and that with the help of the joystick we change the value of the GPS. Then the GPS spoofing using Android app is done. We are spoofing the location and the direction set on the location tracking Android app like Google Maps, so that the user can be diverted to the unintended direction by the spoofer. Here in this image we can easily find out that the joystick, Arduino and the HC05 Bluetooth module is used, and here a user which is prominently going from source to destination from Nimrana to Jaipur is to be diverted to an unnamed road. So that is done through the software's GPS spoofing. Then the various countermeasure which is described in the paper. The countermeasure to permit the dubious GPS signal strength are to monitor the absolute GPS signal strength, to monitor the relative GPS signal strength, then to monitor the signal strength of each received satellite signal, then monitor identification the codes and the number of satellite received, check the time interval, and then do the cryptographic technique are also used in the countermeasure of the GPS spoofing. Now at the conclusion, the drone continues to make their way into the modern society, but we have to know about the risk and the vulnerability with the drone. The study was conducted to explore the different strategies to simulate the hardware and the software attack that can be implemented to facilitate the more versatile approach to mitigate the vulnerability related to the spoofing and studying the various countermeasure attacks. In future work, we will focus on implementing the given strategy to counter the spoofing in the real-time environment. We know right now the drone's vulnerability ranges from GPS jamming, insecure wireless access point, and the most prominently which is used is the GPS spoofing. So these are some of the references which we have used. Thank you.